Morning, Saturday morning, a little bit late. Decided to go up on Transfagarasan, at least as much as I can do. But yeah, I think I have 10 kilometers up and started to be crowded. A lot of cars around. I don't know, it's a kind of rally going around. Yeah, as you can see, pretty crowded. Finished my water already. Yeah, it's pretty tough, but at least the scenery is nice. And yeah, I'll go until I'm done, and then it will be all the way down back. So see you later. So after 2 hours and something, I managed to reach my my target somewhere up here. It's Balea Cascada or Balea waterfall, and yeah, it was nice but hard. Somewhere up in the clouds is the rest of Transfagarasan, which, yeah, not this time, maybe next year, who knows. Now going back all the way down, most likely in half an hour.